Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add customer account login icon in Shopify. In order to add a login icon in Shopify, first of all, check your internet connection. Go ahead and log in into your Shopify account. For that, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in admin.shopify.com. So basically, it's going to direct you to the dashboard page, and while you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom, and from the left hand side bar, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon. As soon as you click on the gear icon, you can see there are multiple options in the left hand side bar. From the list, you need to tap on customer accounts. As soon as you click on customer account, you can see there is customer account in the right hand side section. And first of all, you have an option as customer account are hidden. So you need to tap on the edit button. After that, you'll need to mark on show login link in the header of the online store and add checkout. After that, you have the options. After that, you'll be provided with two different options, that is choose which version of customer account to use. First of all, you have new customer account, that is customer will log in with one-time code sent to the email, and classic customer, which will log in with the email and password. So you can select either one of it and click on the save button. As soon as you've done that, login icon will be located in the header in the top right corner of your home page, and that is how you can add customer account login icon in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.